Is your Candy Smart CS 14102DE washing machine stuck on lock? Don't worry, here's how to unlock it, step by step. Step 1. Check the cycle status. Make sure the wash cycle has fully ended. If not, wait for the timer to finish. Step 2. Turn off the machine, press the power button and turn off the washing machine. Wait a few seconds. Step 3. Wait for door lock to release. The door will unlock automatically after about 2 minutes. You'll hear a click. Step 4. Still locked? Unplug it. If the door stays locked, unplug the machine from the wall. Wait 5 minutes and plug it back in. Step 5. Emergency unlock. Check the bottom filter panel. Behind it, you might find a small emergency pull cord or release lever. Gently pull it to unlock the door. And that's it. Your Candy washing machine should now be unlocked and ready to use. Subscribe for more home appliance tips.